Hello, hello, my friends. Welcome back to Learning with Miss G. And today is another fun story day. Today's story is about Pete the cat and a train trip. Do you know what sound a train makes? Doo, doo. You got it. Are you ready for a fun story? If you're ready, let's go. Pete the Cat Train Trip by James Dean. Pete the cat is going to visit Grandma. He's going to ride a train. He's at the train station, guys. Pete's mom buys 3 tickets. She gives one to Pete and one to his brother Bob. Pete looks at the big board. Our train is leaving at 10 o'clock, he says. A train speeds by. That's a cargo train, Bob, says Pete. Pete's train has arrived. All aboard, calls the conductor. Pete's mom finds 3 seats. I can't wait to see Grandma, says Bob. I can't wait to explore the train, says Pete. The conductor comes to collect the tickets. Pete hands over his. I love trains, says Pete. Oh, I'll show you around, said the conductor. Pete follows the conductor from car to car as the floor rumbles under his feet. Wow, Pete says when they get to the caboose. We're going over a bridge. Pete sees his mom and Bob. They're at the snack bar. I got this for you, says Bob. So they got a little apple snack. Pete follows the conductor. He goes to the front of the train. Come in, says the engineer. That's the one who drives the train. Wow, Pete says. The engineer shows him the engine. The engineer shows Pete the train's brakes. There's a tunnel up ahead. As they go through the tunnel, Pete gets to honk the horn. Doot, doot. Everything is light again. Thanks for showing me around, Pete says. On the way back to his seat, Pete stops and makes new friends. They live in different towns. They're getting off at different stops. Pete plays games. A little kid wears his hat. Pete sings a song. What a groovy ride. We get off at the next stop, says Mom. Toot, toot. Pete looks out the window and sees Grandma. Pete is the first one off the train. Pete's grandma gives him a big hug. It feels so good. Pete loves riding the train, but he loves his grandma even more. And that's the end of Pete the Cat Train Trip. So on Pete's train trip, he got to learn lots of things about a train, make new friends, and now he's visiting with Grandma. I hope you enjoyed this story. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. That way you will never miss another story that Miss G has to read to you. Do you know what time it is now? It's time to say goodbye. It's time to say goodbye. Wave your hands and wink your eye. It's time to say goodbye. Goodbye, friends. I'll see you next time right here in Learning with Miss G. Bye.